This simple inner voice may seem like just a gut feeling, but it's not what you think because it holds the key to profound spiritual growth. Intuition is more than just a fleeting thought or a random guess. It's a powerful guide that can lead us towards our true purpose in life. Imagine having a built-in compass that always points you in the right direction, helping you navigate through the complexities of life with ease. This is what intuition offers us. It's an innate ability that, when nurtured, can transform our lives in ways we never thought possible. But why is it so often ignored or dismissed? Because many of us have lost touch with this inner guidance amidst the noise and chaos of our daily lives. Yet, reconnecting with our intuition can unlock a deeper understanding of ourselves and our path. Let's explore how this seemingly simple inner voice can become our greatest ally on our spiritual journey. If you don't trust your intuition, you might miss out on critical guidance for your spiritual journey, leading to confusion and stagnation. Intuition acts as a bridge between our conscious mind and our higher self, providing insights that are beyond our usual perception. When we ignore this inner guidance, we risk making decisions that are not in alignment with our true selves, resulting in feelings of dissatisfaction and being lost. Imagine constantly second-guessing yourself, making choices based on fear or external pressures, only to find that they lead you further away from your true path. The stakes are high because trusting your intuition can mean the difference between living a life of fulfillment and one of regret. By learning to listen and trust this inner voice, we open ourselves up to a wealth of wisdom and direction that can lead us towards our highest potential. On the contrary, ignoring it can keep us trapped in cycles of doubt and missed opportunities. Intuition is often described as a gut feeling or inner knowing. It's a subtle but powerful guide that helps us make decisions aligned with our true selves. Unlike rational thinking, which relies on logic and evidence, intuition operates on a deeper, more instinctual level. It's that instant sense of knowing what feels right or wrong without needing to weigh the pros and cons. This inner voice is always there, offering gentle nudges and insights, but it's often drowned out by the louder, more analytical parts of our mind. To truly understand intuition, we need to recognize it as a direct line to our inner wisdom, one that transcends our usual thought processes. This doesn't mean that intuition is irrational. Rather, it integrates our experiences, emotions, and subconscious knowledge to provide holistic guidance. In essence, intuition is our soul's way of communicating with us, guiding us towards choices that are in harmony with our deepest desires and true nature. By learning to recognize and trust this inner voice, we can navigate our spiritual journey with greater clarity and confidence. Intuition can manifest as a sudden insight, a feeling in your body, or a quiet inner voice. Recognizing these signs is the first step to harnessing your intuition. You might have experienced moments where an idea suddenly pops into your mind, seemingly out of nowhere, providing a solution to a problem you've been grappling with. This is your intuition at work. Other times, you might feel a physical sensation, like a tightness in your chest or a fluttering in your stomach, indicating that something is off or that you're on the right path. These bodily cues are ways your intuition communicates with you, signaling to pay attention. Then there's the quiet inner voice, often drowned out by the chatter of daily life. This voice whispers truths and insights, guiding you gently towards decisions that resonate with your higher self. It's subtle but persistent, always there, waiting to be heard. By becoming more aware of these manifestations, you can start to tune into your intuition more consistently, allowing it to guide you with greater confidence. Intuition connects us to a higher wisdom. By listening to it, we align with our spiritual path and make choices that promote growth and fulfillment. This inner guidance system is not just a random occurrence, but a crucial aspect of our spiritual development. When we trust our intuition, we tap into a deeper level of consciousness that transcends our everyday experiences. This connection allows us to receive insights that are in harmony with our soul's purpose, leading us towards experiences and choices that foster our spiritual growth. Intuition acts as a bridge between our conscious mind and the universal wisdom, providing us with the clarity and direction needed to navigate our spiritual journey. As we cultivate this connection, we become more attuned to our true selves, making decisions that reflect our deepest values and aspirations. This alignment brings a sense of peace and fulfillment, knowing that we are on the right path and making choices that support our spiritual evolution. Meditation, journaling, and mindfulness are powerful practices that help us tune into our intuition. These practices quiet the mind and allow our inner voice to be heard. Meditation, for instance, creates a space of stillness where we can listen to our intuition without the distractions of daily life. By focusing on our breath and calming our thoughts, we open ourselves up to receiving intuitive insights. Journaling is another effective tool, allowing us to reflect on our thoughts and feelings, uncovering patterns and insights that our conscious mind might overlook. Writing down our experiences and inner thoughts can reveal intuitive messages that guide us towards clarity and understanding. Mindfulness, the practice of being fully present in the moment, helps us become more aware of our intuitive signals. By paying attention to our thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations, we can better recognize and trust our intuition. These practices not only enhance our intuitive abilities, but also strengthen our connection to our higher self, providing us with the guidance needed for our spiritual growth. Doubt and fear can block our intuition. Trusting your inner voice requires practice and patience. Start by acknowledging your doubts and gently letting them go. When we are filled with self-doubt and fear, it becomes difficult to hear our intuitive voice. These negative emotions create a barrier, preventing us from accessing our inner wisdom. It's important to recognize these feelings when they arise and consciously choose to release them. One way to do this is by practicing self-compassion and reminding ourselves that it's okay to make mistakes and learn from them. Another method is to engage in positive affirmations, reinforcing our belief in our own intuition and capabilities. Over time, as we practice letting go of doubt and fear, our confidence in our intuition will grow stronger, allowing us to trust it more fully and make decisions that align with our true path. Many people have life-changing stories about how intuition guided them. These examples illustrate the transformative power of listening to your inner wisdom. Consider the story of a person who avoided a serious accident because they felt an inexplicable urge to take a different route home. Or the tale of someone who met their life partner by following a gut feeling to attend an event they were initially hesitant about. These stories are not mere coincidences, but powerful demonstrations of how intuition can lead us to experiences that profoundly impact our lives. By paying attention to these moments and recognizing the role of intuition, we can begin to trust and rely on our inner guidance more. These real-life examples serve as reminders of the incredible potential we all have within us to navigate our lives with the help of our intuitive wisdom. Research shows that intuition is a real phenomenon. Our brain processes information faster than we are consciously aware, leading to intuitive insights. Studies in neuroscience have revealed that our subconscious mind can detect patterns and make connections that our conscious mind might miss. This rapid processing of information allows us to have intuitive insights that seem to come from nowhere. Additionally, research in psychology has shown that people who regularly use their intuition tend to make better decisions and have higher levels of satisfaction in their lives. This scientific validation of intuition underscores its importance as a legitimate and valuable tool in our decision-making process. Understanding the science behind intuition can help us appreciate its role in our lives and encourage us to cultivate and trust this inner guidance system. To make intuition a part of your daily life, start by setting aside time each day to listen to your inner voice. Trust your feelings and act on them with confidence. Begin your day with a few minutes of quiet reflection or meditation, allowing yourself to tune into your intuition. Throughout the day, pay attention to any gut feelings or subtle nudges you might experience. When faced with decisions, take a moment to check in with your inner guidance before making a choice. Practice journaling at the end of the day to reflect on how your intuition has guided you and what insights you have gained. By consistently integrating these practices into your routine, you will strengthen your connection to your intuition, making it a reliable source of guidance in all aspects of your life. Many people believe intuition is just a hunch or luck. In reality, it's a valuable tool that can guide us towards our highest good when understood and used correctly. One common misconception is that intuition is irrational or unreliable. However, as we've seen, intuition is based on our brain's ability to process information quickly and efficiently, often providing us with insights that are more accurate than we might expect. Another misconception is that intuition is a rare gift that only a few people possess. In truth, everyone has the ability to develop and strengthen their intuition with practice and awareness. By debunking these myths and understanding the true nature of intuition, we can embrace it as a powerful ally in our spiritual growth and decision-making processes. Trusting your intuition is a journey. Embrace it with an open heart and mind. Your intuition is your spiritual compass, guiding you towards your true purpose. As you continue to develop and trust your intuition, you will find that it becomes easier to navigate the challenges and opportunities in your life. Remember that this process takes time and patience, and it's important to be gentle with yourself as you learn to trust your inner guidance. Celebrate the moments when your intuition leads you to positive outcomes and learn from the times when it seems less clear. By staying committed to this journey, you will cultivate a deeper sense of trust in yourself and your spiritual path, allowing your intuition to guide you with greater clarity and confidence. Intuition is a vital part of our spiritual journey. By trusting and developing this inner guidance, we can achieve profound spiritual growth. Intuition connects us to a higher wisdom, guiding us towards decisions and actions that align with our true purpose. Through practices like meditation, journaling, and mindfulness, we can enhance our intuitive abilities and overcome the doubt and fear that often block our inner voice. Real-life examples and scientific research validate the power and importance of intuition, encouraging us to integrate it into our daily lives. By understanding and debunking common misconceptions, we can embrace intuition as a valuable tool in our spiritual growth and decision-making processes. Trusting your intuition is a journey, one that requires patience and an open heart, but it is a journey well worth undertaking. As we continue to develop and trust our intuition, we open ourselves up to a deeper understanding of ourselves and our path, leading to a life of fulfillment and spiritual alignment.